Our project here is IoT-based home automation, which we have named as safety, security, and sensing. The safety here is this gas sensor and the temperature sensor. The gas sensor detects the amount of gas or carbon percentage in the room, and accordingly we can base a home automation where you can increase or decrease the cooling system of the room.
When the carbon percentage exceeds a certain limit, it activates the HVAC systems like the air conditioning system and the ventilation system. And this is the temperature. This is the temperature sensor. It gives you a value of the temperature. It gives you the temperature value in your room, and this whole project is controlled with the help of a Bluetooth and IoT. IoT in the sense it all the values of the sensor values are available over the net. So I'll just show you the working of this now. So these are the values which are available over the net. Accordingly, you can turn on the accordingly you can run the different systems at your home. So I'll just show you how this thing works. So this is the Bluetooth control app. So when you press the option, the lights get switched on. Accordingly, all the 3 lights are switched on over here. So you can accordingly switch off your lights. So next, this is the soil hygroscopic sensor. This sensor detects the water content of your soil. When the soil is dry, you can switch on soil is dry, it sends a notification saying that the soil is dry and please switch on please water your plants. Accordingly, you can switch on your pump.
You can switch on your pump.
So the water comes into this soil from the reservoir. So this is the reservoir. Then this is the water pump that has been used. So this is the raindrop sensor. It senses whether there's a rain or not. So when there's a rain, it gives you a notification saying that it's raining, and accordingly you need to remove your clothes from the balcony. And so all these values are available over the net. So these are the values that are available on the net. Sitting at office, you can monitor your entire home. So this is the RFID based door lock system. So wait. So when the authorized card is placed, the door opens and is closed. And when an unauthorized card has been placed, the door will not open. So this is the basic summary of the project.